In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Midas in Tradingview. We'll walk through this step by step so you can place trades through Midas directly from your Tradingview charts. Make sure you're already logged into your Tradingview account before you start, and have your Midas login details ready so you can complete the connection smoothly. First, open your web browser and go to the Tradingview website. You can do this by typing the Tradingview address into your browser's address bar and hitting enter. Once the site loads, log in if you aren't logged in already. Being signed in is important because your broker connections are saved to your account. Next, from the Tradingview homepage, look for the option called Supercharts. This is Tradingview's advanced charting interface where you'll actually be placing trades and managing your orders. Click on Supercharts and it will open up a full charting window with all your tools, indicators and drawing options. Once Supercharts is open, look toward the lower part of the screen for the Trading panel. This panel is where Tradingview lists all the brokers and trading services you can connect to. Click on Trading panel to expand it. If you don't see it right away, it's usually at the bottom of the chart and it might be minimized, so just click to open it up. When the Trading panel is visible, you'll see a selection of broker logos and names. To make sure you're seeing the full list, click on the option that says Show All Brokers. This will expand the panel and display every available integration, not just the most popular or recently used ones. Now that you're viewing all brokers, use the search field within the Trading panel and type in Midas. This helps you quickly filter the list instead of scrolling through all the options. Once you start typing, Tradingview should narrow the results and show you the Midas integration. When you see Midas in the list, click on it to start the connection process. Tradingview will open a connection window where you'll need to authorize access. Follow the prompts, which usually include logging into your Midas account and confirming that you want to link it to Tradingview. Take a moment to double check any permissions shown on screen, then confirm. After that, your Midas account will be connected and you'll be able to trade directly from your Tradingview charts using Midas as your broker.